Hello everyone, I am back again today to do a nice project. We are going to do some Ramadan decorations at home because we cannot do shopping and go and buy things. So we will make something by ourselves. Very simple, you don't need a lot of materials. You need some coloring papers, you need some buttons or swikins, some anything that you can find inside the house. Okay, and some color pencils, glue, scissors, those kind of things. And of course we all like to eat ice cream, so these are popsicle sticks you can get from ice cream sticks. So the thing is, you can buy. So I have nut colored ones and I have already colored one. If you have nut colored one, I will recommend you to color it with acrylic paint. It's really effective and you can use it no problem. So, and first you will need the lantern we're going to make. It's something like this way. So if you see the popsicle sticks, and then again I use some papers. These are normal lantern papers. If in case if you don't have these, you can always use tracing papers. You know, normal we have at home is this kind of tracing papers. It's transparent like this way. This is a one option, and the other option you can do is baking paper. That is a very good option. It's very nice. You can try with baking paper. And there is another paper. I always like to use wax paper. That is also okay. So the thing is, because we're doing drawing of it, you can draw whatever you like. For example, you see, like this way, flowers you can draw, and you can color it normal pens like this way, color pens, or glitter pens. Those are very nice. My favorite, one of my favorite is glitter pens. I love it. You can use glitter pens. Coloring pencils are good also. So anything that you can draw, it's like this way. You can draw anything that you like and color it. So once you've done the coloring, you need to do is the sticks. So I will tell you how to make. You need 4 popsicle sticks like this way. Add a glue drop on each and every place in the edge. Make sure you glue it like this way, 4 sides. So when you glue it, it should be look like this way, a square. If you see, it's very nice, easy. 4 glue drops, stick it. I use hot glue because if you use normal white glue, it takes time and I want everything to be quick. That's the reason I use hot glue. So you can use a little bit hot glue, 4 drops, it will be fine. Then you can use anything that you draw. As I said to you, you can draw with the pen or paper or any coloring pencils, anything you can use and do a drawing. This is another technique I tried. It's called decoupage, and I cut some stars with different paper, and you can do is you can use this one and stick it on here. And remember one thing, you always have to stick from the back side towards up. So you don't need to stick in the front. So it should be look like in the end something like this way. See, it's very easy for you to do. You can use normal glue, and I like this glue also. It's very good, quick. It takes not too much time. Instead of hot glue, you can use this one. White glue take little bit time for you to dry. That's the reason I want to use hot glue. So it should be look like this way. See? Some stars. So once it's done, use hot glue and make all the parts join together. So it should be look like this way. So you can put a candle inside here. I will put it in the side because it need to be dry. So you have to put a candle inside. It looks so nice. Whatever the candle you put near a wall and keep this one. All the pattern that you done, it will be coming onto the wall. It looks so amazing. I tried it, that's why. So if you see, first you will, if you don't have color popsicle stick, you can use acrylic paint and color the popsicle sticks. Once you finish it, you use 4 pieces together and make a square like this way. And whatever the art piece you will draw, you can draw it in a wax paper or tracing paper, anything that you will like to find, and you can stick it from the popsicle. So once you've done it, it should be look like this way. And if you want to hang this one, you can do is use a popsicle stick and put 2 sticks below here together. So not 1 stick, remember one thing, you have to put 2 or 3 sticks together. because if you're putting a candle, you have to have space to keep the candle. Remember that. So it should be look like this way with three sticks are good. 3 or 2 maximum should be look stick here, because you will keep the candle here from the inside, so it will be not falling down. And you can put a ribbon from these 4 sides, put to up here, and you can hang it anywhere in the wall. That will be the first part that you will be doing. Second thing you can do is today another decoration for Ramadan. Here, see, wall hanging. You can do it. So amazing. You can see this is a normal form that I found. Normally I have a lot of arts and craft materials that I use recycle. So that's the reason I'm using this one. Today this is just normal foam. If you don't have this, you can use felt. You see, felt or colored paper or white color, it's up to you. A4 sheets are good. In case if you're using an A4 sheet, remember one thing, if you want a big design one, you take the 2 A4 sheets together and stick it. If you want a 1/2 size like this size, make sure you bend the A4 sheet before you do the gluing any decoration, because your A4 sheet is kind of thin. You have to have a thicker one. That's the reason you will use 2 papers, or if you want a small one, you have to bend it together like that way. That is the important thing, because A4 sheets are very thin and you need something much more thicker. So now you can do is make 2 holes in the bit first, here and here. Put a ribbon, so this is the part you will be hanging. Then you will make few holes here, and you can hang some ribbons or thread, anything that you like. It's up to you. Like this way, you see. You can put knots and hang it if you see it properly to closer to you. Yeah. So next you can do is decorate the way you like. I have some buttons and I have this fabric pieces. I love those ones. So what did I do? I stick one fabric piece here. I use hot glue into sticking this one, but you guys have time to do it at home, so I will recommend you to use don't need to use normal white glue. Don't use hot glue, use white glue, or this glue also, it's nice. This one, it's quick drying, that's why. So you can use 3D liners, my favorite. I love doing 3D liners. So then again I have these glitter papers. So the small pieces that I use for arts and craft, and I have remaining pieces, so I cut some butterflies with this one. Some are coming like a sticker, some doesn't, so you can use white glue or anything and stick it. So it should be look like this way. You see, I like butterflies. I have a puncher, so I use the puncher to stick it. So you guys also don't have a puncher, trace it and cut the shapes that you like. So you see these are not coming with the stickers while, so you will apply little bit glue, decorate it. And I have nice buttons, different shapes like stars or anything. You can use those and stick it. Don't put too much. In case if you don't have any of these things, you can do drawing. You can draw anything that you will be like, and you can stick those. It's much more nice. I cut some papers. If you see, I cut some papers like a star shapes, different shapes, just normal paper pieces. You can stick those ones, it's very easy. And I do have 3D liners, of course, so I will use little bit 3D liner also. anything that you can find at home you can use. It's very easy and you don't need to spend a lot of money and buy these things. These days you don't not allowed to go outside, so you, as I said, you can use a A4 sheet. It's very easy and it should be look like this way. You see, just normal glitters and things I use, and I sticked everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson. First we made a lantern, and as I said, you can decorate it and stick it the way you like. You can do your own drawing. You don't need to do like exactly the what I did. Let the kids draw whatever they like. So next thing we made is a wall hanger. You see, yeah. So I found this flower in one of my drawers, so I don't want to throw it, so I use that one to stick. If you can find some dry flowers, it's very good. And in case if you don't have dry flowers, you can do is in the gardens you will have some flowers. You can bring those and put between a book and leave it for 2 days. It will be dry and you can do the decoration. And you can use buttons, you can use 3D liners, pencils, color pencils, anything that all fabric pieces you can use, and you can do like this way. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you again on Saturday. Have a nice weekend. See you. Bye.